Margao police have arrested 4 agents duping people, assuring them to solve their personal and work problems. The agents indulge into earthen pot magic tactics and dupe people with a huge sum of money. They were residing in a flat at Ake. They advertised on local newspapers and bullied people. All 4 agents are from Meerut in Uttar Pradesh and are currently in 4 days police custody.
एक आमची जी कंप्लेंटर आसा तेजे कडल्यान म्हणपाक लागलो तुजें काम जातलें जाल्यार म्हणपाक 36,000 दिवपा पडटलें अशें आनी ते मातयेचे मडके बी तितून उदक बिदक घालून ते कितें तरी जादू अशें केल्ल्या भशेन करून ते लोकां कडेन पयशे उगळपाचीं कामां फसवेगिरी करून सो तांकां आमी काल ताब्यात घेतले व्हेरीफाय केलें आनी तांकां अरेस्ट केलें आमी आनी कोर्टान तांकां 4 दीस रिमांड दिलेलें आसा आनी अशी कळना कितले जाणां लोकां मनशांक फसवणूक केल्या हें आमी पळयतात आनी तांचो आनी खंयच्या गुन्यांत सहभाग आसा काय म्हणून ते त्या दृश्टीने तपास चालू आसा आनी असले फसवेगिरीक लोकांनी बळी पडपा जायना आनी असले कोणी हें करून दिता आपूण तुमचें काम करून दिता असली देवस्पणांनी जाल्यार हेजे पासून लोकांनी सादूर रावपाची गरज आसा.
Panji police have arrested a lady for using fake notes in the municipal market area. Police seized 4 notes of 1,000 rupees from the lady. Police will produce her before JMFC court on Friday to seek police remand. Panji police on Thursday arrested a lady named Tazmira Sheikh on a complaint of a shopkeeper. Police said accused had made purchases from 3 different shops using fake notes of 1,000 rupees in each shop. When she tried to make a purchase at the 4th shop, the shopkeeper raised the alarm and called police. The accused is a native of Kolkata and had come to Goa on Wednesday. Police will produce her before JMFC court on Friday to seek police remand. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. And before we end the bulletin, let's have a look at the spectacular view at the Goa Assembly in Porvorim on its 50th Golden Jubilee celebration. The assembly was lit up magnificently. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.